The first batch of tickets for London's New Year's Eve fireworks will be released at midday today, Friday, 29 September. The fireworks and lighting display will feature more than 12,000 fireworks, 2,000 lighting cues and 30 tons of equipment on 3 barges. While Big Ben's famous bongs have fallen silent during renovation works this year, the bell will be woken from its slumber to sound to kickstart the fireworks, ringing in the new year in true London style. Those wanting to guarantee a view and entry for this year's celebrations will be able to book up to 4 tickets for midday by visiting www.london.gov.uk. Each ticket is priced at £10, the same price as 2014, when ticketing was first introduced. Approx. 103,000 tickets will be made available for the event this year. This is slightly fewer than 2016, when approx. 110,000 were available, partly due to Thames Tideway tunnel works taking place on embankment. Those without a ticket will not be able to enter the viewing area. Alternatively, if you want to watch them for free, just find one of London's high spots and watch them from a comfortable distance and with a much less crowded commute home. What's on in London today or tomorrow or this weekend?